Top 5 Best Glass Storage Containers. The ultimate guide to choosing the right glass storage container. Plastic food storage solutions are a popular choice for many busy households, but they can be difficult to clean, become discolored easily, and may warp or melt if they get too hot. These sturdy glass containers are a better alternative, as they're resistant to odors and stains, are made without any harmful chemicals, and are often safe for the dishwasher, freezer, microwave, and oven.
Best belay devices. Best belay devices for climbing rock walls. Rubbermaid Brilliance Glass Storage. Baco Glass Storage Containers with Lids Crazy Sale. Lock and Lock Easy Essentials Food Lids.
MMC IRCO 24-piece glass food storage container.
Large glass food storage, baking containers crazy sale.
To think about where you want, bucket down gun. Where you want that pie down gun. Where you want, bucket down gun. Get cracking, get to think about where you want, bucket down gun. Where you want that pie down gun. Where you want, bucket down gun. Get cracking, get think about where you want, bucket down gun. Where you want that pie down man. Where you want, bucket down gun. Get cracking, get
Visit our site reviewparks.com, link in the description box. Like, comment.